The Earth is getting warmer day by day. Climate change is increasingly threatening the life of all beings. Therefore, we clearly feel the importance of protecting the Earth, our common home. Understanding that, Tieng Group has made efforts for 20 years in researching and applying green solutions for industrial activities. When the mission of Tieng Group was born, we set the criteria to call on the community to join us in saving energy and reducing global emissions. We have been reducing emissions into the environment up to millions of tons of CO2. Fuel recycling project. With the desire to reduce production costs for partners and reduce CO2 emissions, Tieng Group has converted agricultural and forestry byproduct as well as waste into environmentally friendly renewable fuel, a plant that gives new energy and fuel. In particular, Tieng Group has succeeded in bringing sorghum from the United States to Vietnam. This is a multi-purpose biomass material. With a solid research foundation, Tieng has built closed agricultural industrial factories along the sorghum's value chain to create 10 different types of goods: ethanol, syrup, fuel pellets, food alcohol, microbial organic fertilizer, liquefied CO2, industrial steam and power, bioplastic granules, animal feed, and green hydrogen. This is the industry's lifeline for the coal-fired power plants in order to reduce emissions. Natural gas production project. The chairman stated, "We have worked hard, got 15 patents, and at the same time cooperated with large corporations in the world, such as Air Products Corporation of the United States, the world's leading natural gas producer. Tieng cooperates with Air Products to produce oxygen to put into the boiler's combustion chamber in order to increase combustion efficiency, reduce fuel consumption, and reduce environmental pollution. Besides, we use excess heat as well as nitrogen to reduce fuel moisture and reduce emissions. The use of biomass creates green hydrogen to replace fossil fuels in the future." We have had tests and experiments successfully at the Ninh Thermal Power Plant and the steam supply plant for DRC Da Nang Rubber Company in Liên Chieu Industrial Park. For these tests and experiments, we have our own inventions. With a biomass co-firing rate of 5 to 40%, adding a certain amount of oxygen and nitrogen according to the formula has resulted in reducing the amount of using coal from 10 to 30%, reducing the amount of CO2 from 70 to 90%, and reducing nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide from 60 to 80%. The achieved results bring great hope to the thermal power plants using fossil fuels that are forced to close in the near future. Initially, we think that this is a model with Vietnamese technology and intelligence, which I highly welcome. If this technology is fully supported and interested by the two ministries, it will be eligible for export. I am very happy and willing to support comrades. The Vietnamese people are fully capable to surprise the world with outstanding accomplishments. Tieng Group is one of the very few Vietnamese corporations that has invested and is successful in the United States. We have also signed cooperation agreements with many major U.S. industrial manufacturers in the energy industry. Our objective is to change the international image and replace the existing perspective of the world on Vietnamese enterprises to a more positive way. Together, we save energy and reduce global emissions. Faith can change your life.